Best free project management tools for productivity. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be breaking down some of the top tools available for project management to make sure that your team works productively. I will be comparing the free plans on all of these, and we have 10 project management tools in the rundown. And at the end of this video, I will be giving you guys my thoughts after using all of these for over a couple of months. I've used all of these at different times of my life, and I will give you guys the gist of which one you should pick. So let's get into it. Now, the first tool I have that I recommend to most people is ClickUp. ClickUp offers you a wide range of task management docs goals, and it has nesting within tasks for detailed organization. Plus, it has highly customizable views and settings, and it integrates with many other tools and platforms. So ClickUp is a good start. Next up, I have Trello. Now, Trello is more so focused on building visual boards. It organizes your tasks into boards with cards for easy visualization. It's a pretty user-friendly interface, and it's great for small teams and basic task management. Plus, it follows the Kanban method. So it follows the Kanban approach for task management. Primarily, your board view is going to be your primary view, and if you ever want a different view, you can't get that on the free plan on Trello. Now, the next tool that I recommend is Jira, which primarily focuses on software development. So this is used for agile software development, and it has detailed issue tracking, and it is ideal for software developmental teams because it also allows you custom workflows to match your specific team needs. So it's more so oriented towards a team that is building and that has ticketing as a main function as well. Now, the next tool that we're going to be talking about is Monday.com. So Monday.com has been a fan favorite for a while. It is adaptable for various team processes and workflows. It uses boards and charts for task and project tracking. Plus, it integrates with various other applications, and it does have integrations available as well. However, keep in mind that these integrations and automations are limited on the free plan on Monday. Now, moving on to our next tool, we have Asana. Now, Asana allows linking of separate tasks and setting up dependencies. It has a timeline and calendar view for your board planning, as well as focusing on team collaboration and task management. So generally, to make it easier for your team to communicate, Asana is a good tool to use. Now, next up, we have Airtable. Airtable has a lot of database flexibility. It combines your spreadsheet functionalities with database capabilities. It's highly customizable with various views such as a grid, calendar, and Kanban view. Plus, it allows team collaboration on data-centric projects as well. So this can be great if you're looking to extract info from data, and this is also integrated AI into its tools. So managing a lot of data can be super simple and easy with Airtable. Now, on our list is Notion. Now, Notion is a all-in-one workspace. It really combines everything you can think of in project management. So things such as your tasks, databases, and more, all of that is in one interface. It's highly flexible for personal and team use with customizable layouts, and it even has a knowledge management tool, which is great for documentation and knowledge sharing. So I would say, although Notion is pretty difficult to learn, I wouldn't say Notion is the easiest or most user-friendly when you're getting started. However, if you ever get the gist of Notion, if you're able to understand the basic concepts, you can really build anything on Notion. You can build a team workspace, a individual workspace, goal-oriented workspace, progress-oriented workspace, and so much more in this one singular tool. And all of that for free. Now, our next tool is Basecamp. Now, Basecamp has slowly dissolved into the background in terms of project management. However, it has a simple interface for task lists and file sharing and messaging. It has a centralized communication focus where team communication is focused within your projects, and it allows you to create simple to-do lists and assigning tasks. So Basecamp really hasn't built something that is innovative in the industry currently, so it's not one of the tools that I suggest to most people right now, simply because the features are really not that ideal. Plus, you can get all of these features for free on any of the previously mentioned tools. Now, next up on our list is Rike. So, Rike is another great tool which allows you robust task management with features such as Gantt charts and timelines. You also have team collaboration emphasis and communication emphasis. Plus, you have automation capabilities for task routing and updates. It is a great tool. It is somewhat under talked about. So, considering how they have integrated content, AI generated content into Rike and other features such as their board views, table views, which sometimes you have to pay for on other tools, I do find Rike to be a great tool to use. Now, next up, we have Teamwork. In terms of general comprehensive suites for project planning and management, I think Teamwork is great. It includes features such as time tracking and resource management, plus it has integrations with multiple different tools for a greater functionality. Now, each tool has its strengths and caters to a different team, sizes, project, and more. It really depends on the specific industry or niche that you are in regarding to the features that will be most used by you. And determining the best tool is a bit difficult. So I have a few recommendations for different types of people. And the nature of the project that you're handling is also going to be a great determining factor on whether or not you're going to like a certain tool or not. However, based on my general considerations, some things or tools that I recommend include Trello. Now, Trello and Asana are two tools that I recommend based on ease of use. If you're a team that is looking to get started, if you want something simple and effective, that can help you in managing your projects easily and productively, because obviously if your team is spending half their time trying to figure out the platform, you're not going to be really as productive as you could have been if you didn't have the difficult platform to deal with. So for starter teams, I recommend Asana or Trello. Now, if you're a team that has a focus on software development, then I recommend Jira, because Jira is go-to for the agile software development teams, and it is super straightforward for those types of teams. Now, if you're looking for extensive customization, Notion is going to be the best tool for you. It's highly customizable and can be molded into anything you want. However, for most teams, Notion might be difficult, so if you're working in a team setting, I recommend ClickUp or Monday instead of Notion, especially if you're not certain whether or not the capabilities of Notion could actually be used by you and your team. Now, if you're looking for collaborative features and if you're looking for visual features, then Asana and Airtable are going to be the tools for you. Now, ultimately, the best tool is going to be determined by you. And if you are looking to test out any of these tools, you can get a free trial of their premium plans as well, and you can continue on with their free plans. But in general, I think for most teams, I recommend ClickUp and Monday on their free plans, simply because the unlimited options on ClickUp are really something you can't get anywhere else. You can create, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members. So that is something that is pretty freeing on ClickUp, which can be a great way for you to get started. And Monday.com is also highly customizable, which can help you in building your workspaces. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.